I'm so happy to have received this beautiful bathroom rug. I love the checkered feel. The back has a non-slip texture, which keeps the mat into place, which is so great coming out of a shower when you're all wet, and even just, any day use, it stays in place, which I absolutely love, as you can see. This mat is also high absorbing, which I'm going to show you. And when I say this bath mat absorbs water quickly, it absorbs water quickly, and I absolutely love it. It is very easy to clean. You can just pick it up, dust it off, and simply shake it off and put it right back down. So very easily upkeep on a daily basis. It is machine washable with a laundry bag. I love, again, the non-slip backing and just how it stays firmly in place. If you're looking for a bath mat that is very absorbent, it is easy to upkeep, and throwing in the wash for those deep cleans, I highly recommend this.